And you can just keep reinvesting the amount you're making, and you really grow this. So the most important aspects of being a vendor are, I really broke it down to two things, okay? I really simplified it here. Have a product that satisfies a need, and then frame your product offering in a high converting sales page, okay? You want to make sure that you have a good product that satisfies a need, that there's people out there already wanting to buy it, and then put your product in a high converting sales page. And I recommend you do this after V2, because with V2, you already know that you're going to make sales, right? Because you're already making sales, and then you just replace your product with the V2 product that you had. And with this, it's amazing because you don't worry so much about generating your own traffic, because you have affiliates that are making sales for you. And you also, since you're making sales for other affiliates with version 2, you can also ask them to promote your product. You can get an army of affiliates making sales for you across all different advertising channels and use the power of the snowball effect. The snowball effect is, once you're in the marketplace, you can keep rising in the marketplace as more and more affiliates find you. Powerful. So, real quick, so only take a minute. Do you want me to show you how to create a high converting sales page? Because it's not as hard as you think to create this whole V3 funnel. All right, yeses are flying in. Cool. So I'm going to head over to the product area, okay, the vendor area, the V3 area. And I'll just edit this product here. This is building out a lot more pages, so it might take a little bit longer to load, but sales pages, thank you pages, product pages, all done for you. Right here, I can go to all the different pages for you. All right. So this is a sales page. Okay, we're trying to sell a product, right? And maybe our product costs 47 bucks like this. And these sales pages, by the way, have exactly what you need to plug in them to be high converting, right? It says headline with quantitative, transformational, or attention grabbing claim, just like this, 21 changes to a healthier you. And this is so easy to edit. Everyone can do this. All you do is you, just like writing an email, this is the best product, all right? And you can have a video, or you can get rid of the video if you want. The buttons, so easy to change. And you really just plug in your content here. Put a headline here. Use a subheadline here. All of this information is super, super easy to edit, and you can get rid of a lot of this information too if you want it to be super, super simple. And boom. You want to know how to set it up with Clickbank? So easy. All you do is you put in your Clickbank account information right here, and it's hooked up to Clickbank. There's no programming. There's no APIs you need. There's also advanced things like, check that out, hiding the buy button. You see how that's hiding and going away? So that's a high converting aspect of making sales. You'll notice that almost all the top products on Clickbank hide the buy button until a certain time. And it's just so easy to edit. We can edit the backgrounds. We can edit whatever we want really, really simply. Maybe we just do a color. Maybe do a blue, right? And that's it. And we click publish changes, and it's live. We give you a subdomain. You can create your own domain if you want. And with the builder, you can create all the pages you need to get up and running. And that's it. Look how easy that was. Was that easy? Let me know in the chat. Say yes if you think that was easy. Awesome, amazing, so simple. Looks like the best software. Incredible. That's it. And boom, we have a product. All we had to do was, and then on this product page, we can maybe upload a report. And that's our product. Our entire product could just be a report, a PDF, something you write on Microsoft Word, and then you save it and upload it right there. And that's it. And automatically once you get a customer, it'll automatically send login details to your customers with your own private membership area automatically. So just with this stuff we just looked at, it'll send them login details, their own login details, to log in and get access to your product. One of the most important things, though, is that these are high converting templates.